I'm David Lusk, founder of Audio Video Technologies. Today we're here at St Kilian Catholic Church to start our new project. Let's step inside and take a look. St Kilian's has an existing AV system they want us to replace. They want something that's not quite so visible, something to hide in the shadows. They want quality sound and quality video, and they want it easy to control. So we put together a design that will replace all the speakers they have here. We're going to pull down that center array, and we're going to be disconnecting all the ceiling speakers on the left and right wings. We're going to be removing the speakers on either side of the video screen. And we're going to be replacing them with 2 new speakers equipped with beam steering technology. With this new technology, we will be able to cover the entire sanctuary with a clear sound, which will allow the parishioners to clearly hear the spoken word, which is most important here in the Catholic Church. This is the equipment room. The equipment room houses all the equipment, which will power the AV system. As you can see, we have 4 racks. They used a lot of equipment to make the previous system work. With the use of new technology, we're able to compress these 4 racks down to just 2 racks. We will be installing a new video distribution system that utilizes 4K technology. We're also installing a new control system that will allow the client to use an iPad to have full control of their entire AV system. Power on, power off, screen control, microphone levels, total control of their system. The speaker system that was in here originally was a very large and encroaching system. Now we've installed our system. The equipment room is down to 2 racks, giving them more space in the room and will require less than half of the power usage of the previous system. The audio system, sleek and beautiful, disappears in the background. And it allows the spoken word of God to project throughout the entire sanctuary, evenly, with intelligibility.